Yo guys, quickly, I just did a quick little practice session here, shot with the Zhiyun Smooth 4, and basically just quickly walked through this little portion of the house. But the main importance of this was I was practicing sound design. Here you'll have a clip with me with all the sound effects added. And then here's one clip with just the original sound. I got all my sound effects from Artlist, so if you guys are into something like that, links down in the description. Practice your sound design. It really helps take your videos up to the next level. Keep filming. Peace.